River Lady here, and it is a blustery, chilly day here on the Concord River. It's Thanksgiving week, and I have spent the last 2 weeks compiling a series of short videos as I went around my gardens and prepared them for winter. Let me show you what I've been doing. So let's leave the ducks and I will take you for a walk. So let's come through here. And you can see the salt marsh hay that's packed in and around my plants, even my propagated ones. Here you can see where I've enlarged the garden. And let's go over by the hummingbird garden. Here we are by the hummingbird garden, and what do I have going on? Well, as the title says, my hydrangeas are budding in autumn. Yep, it's 40 degrees in the sun, but the wind chill is bringing the temperature down to the low 30s. My bird baths are still frozen. And the weather has been mixed over the past few weeks, up to the 70s, down to the 20s at night. It's been a crazy mixed bag. And my hydrangeas, along with a lot of my other plants, are responding as if I have moved them to a zone 7, or as if spring is coming, because they're sending up buds on their new growth, and the buds on their old growth are starting to swell, which is what would happen right before I prune them. But I'm not pruning them. As I said, it's Thanksgiving this week. My roses are starting to come into bud. My peonies are sending up growth. Even my clematis vine is sending up buds. So what I've done is I've put together a series of little short clips of each plant. I'll just take you on a little tour, and then I will leave you to deal with your plants. Okay, let's go. That wraps it up. I've pretty much covered every plant that I can cover in this video. I'm sure there are a few that I've missed, but that's all right. You get the idea. It's late November and my plants are getting ready to start a beautiful blooming season. Okay, I'll leave you with my ducks feasting on their corn and say this is River Lady, and I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving and happy gardening.